Mr. Booker. On count 1, felony murder, I am sentencing you to life without the possibility of parole. On count 2, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, I am sentencing you to 20 years consecutive to count 1. On count 3, I'm sentencing you, which is violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, to 20 years consecutive to count 2. Then we move down to count 10, hijacking a motor vehicle. I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 3. Count 11, violation of Street Gang and Terrorism Prevention Act. In count 11, I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 10. Count 12, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act. I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 11. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. I sentence you to 5 years consecutive to count 12. Count 14, violation of Street Gang and Terrorism and Prevention Act. I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 13. And count 15, I sentence you, which is violation of Street Gang Terrorism Prevention Act, 20 years consecutive to count 14. If the deputies would take Mr. Booker.
You've got to do his appellate rights, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that so we can. Mr. David Booker, you've now been convicted of 15 felonies. You've been sentenced on 9 felonies because the other either vacate. There are 6 of them that either vacate by law or merge. I need to inform you that you have a right to seek post-judgment relief from your felony convictions by either filing a direct appeal to a higher appellate court or to file a motion for a new trial. You have 30 days from the date I sign your sentence, which will be today or tomorrow, to file the motion for new trial on any or all of the 9 felony charges. Mr. Lewis, are you going to file a motion for new trial or notice of appeal?
Yes, I'll handle that tomorrow, Judge.
Okay. You also have 4 years from the date of your sentence is final to file a habeas corpus petition. I'm going to appoint you an appellate lawyer to handle your case. Your appellate lawyer will explain these processes, but I wanted you to know the legal time frames for which you're required to follow. Mr. Lewis is going to file the 2 motions that are required in 30 days to preserve your rights, and then I will appoint you appellate counsel who will be in touch with you. Anything, Mr. Lewis?
That's it, Judge.
Thank you.
Stepping back.
All right, if you could take Mr. Booker into custody.